Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we had seen some operations under that union of two sets. Their problems were solved. But in the session, we will take the problems based on intersection of two sets. Where yesterday we had seen the definition of intersection of two sets. Their problems we have to solve one by one, which are nothing but some exercise problem we are going to take. They are given, some of the exercise problems are in the fashion of if. Example, or I will write here, in the past, if capital A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, C is equals to 11, 13, 15, D is equal to 15, 17. Find first one A intersection B, second one B intersection C, third one A intersection C intersection D, fourth one A intersection C, fifth one B intersection D, sixth one A intersection B union C, seventh one A intersection D, eighth one A intersection B union D, ninth one A intersection B intersection B union C. After that, last one, 10th one, A union D intersection B union C. Dear students, they are given some 10 questions. Our job is to solve one by one with the help of definition of intersection, at the same time definition of union. I will give the just overview the definition of intersection of sets. Intersection of two sets are nothing but common element from A to B we have to select. There are two sets, their intersection is possible only when common element from A and B you have to choose or taken out, correct? Then solution I will write one by one. Solution I will write first one. A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to, what are the values of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A intersection of B 7, 9, 11, 13, which is equals to, intersection means common element between both the sets, correct? What are the common element here? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, 13. Therefore, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11 are common. So, you write it as set 7, 9, 11. Correct? The sets are nothing but 7, 9, 11 are the common element. After that, second one, B intersection C. B intersection C is equal to, what is the value of B? 7, 9, 11, 13. B intersection, value of C is nothing but 11, 13, 15. Correct? 11, 13, 15. What are the elements which are common for both B and C? 11, 13, 11, 13. Correct? Therefore, you write it as 11, 13 which are common. This value is nothing but B intersection C. After that, I will correct a third question. Their answer, A intersection C intersection D, and A intersection C intersection D, which is equals to, what is the value of A? A is nothing but 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A intersection. B is nothing but what? 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection. A intersection. A intersection. C intersection. Correct? Sorry. A intersection. Here there will be A intersection value of C. C is nothing but what? 11, 13, 15. Correct? 11, 13, 15 are nothing but value of C. After that, again intersection with D. D is nothing but 15, 17. D is nothing but what? 15, 17. Next, what we are going to take? I think third question. I will write the answer here. What are the elements? 3, 5, 7. First you club these two sets. First you club these two sets because there are 3 sets. They are given 3 sets. You are not able to take 3 at a time because we are going to take a binary. We have to use a word binary. Means we have to take 2 sets first, their intersection. Coming answer will be intersect with some other rest of the sets. What are the values? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Here, what are the values? Only 11 is the element. Correct? Up to if you collect these sets. What are the common element? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 11, 13, 15. 11 is the common element. Correct? 11 is the common element. You write it as 11, which is equals to set 11. Intersection with 15, 17. 15, 17. Intersection with 15, 17. Which is there is no common element. There will be no common element. Therefore, the answer is empty. After that, we move towards the fourth value. That is fourth one. A intersection C. What is the value of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A intersection of C. 11, 13, 15. 11, 13, 15. Then, what is the value? What are the common elements? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 11, 13, 15. 11 is only member which is common to both. Therefore, singleton 11 is the answer. Correct? Fourth one is singleton 11. After that, B intersection D. Fourth one, I will write the fifth one. Just you observe the sets what they are given. Fifth one, B intersection D. What is the value of B? B is nothing but 7, 9, 11, 13. B intersection. What are the values of D? 15, 17. 15, 17. Which is nothing but a value which is empty. Correct? There will be no common element between both the sets. Therefore, the set is empty set. Next, we will take a sixth one. We will take the sixth one. A intersection B union C. Correct? You know it is in the which comes under properties. Properties of intersection of sets. Which property it is? This property is nothing but intersection is distributes over union. Intersection is distributes over union, which is nothing but distributive property. Distributive property in case of intersection. Which is nothing but what is the value of A? A is nothing but we are given 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Correct? After that, A intersection B union C. B is nothing but 7, 9, 11, 13. B union of B union C. C is nothing but 11, 13, 15. 7, 13, 11, 13, 15. Which is nothing but they are given the preference. So you must put the brace or square brackets or power bracket again. Because of preference. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 keep as it is because we are going to give the importance to the separate brackets. Correct? We have one more bracket, means you have to take that value first, take into account after that remaining values, which is intersection with what is the value of 7, 9, 11, 13 union 11, 13, 15, which is nothing but 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Correct? Their union we are going to take. After that, what is the intersection value? Intersection means common element we have to pick. Correct? The common element is nothing but what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 7 and 11 is a common. Therefore, you keep it as 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is the common element between the sets A intersection B and C. Correct? This type of questions are very important for your exam. Correct? In any exam, they may ask find the values of A intersection B and C. This left hand side, which is same as A intersection B union C, is same as A intersection B union A intersection C. A intersection, we know that I will write here A intersection B union C, which is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Correct? A intersection B union A intersection C. Which property it is or properties are nothing but distributive law. After that, sixth one. After that, seventh one answer is, I will write seventh one's answer. I hope you are understood the tricks about intersection of sets or finding the values of intersection of two sets. I will write the seventh one answer. Seventh one, that is A intersection D. What are the values of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A intersection. What are the values of D? D is nothing but 15, 17. 15, 17. After that, what are the values? 3, 5, 7, and 11, which are nothing but empty. Empty means there will be no common element, and I will say that A and B are disjoint sets. According to the yesterday definition, A intersection D means what? A intersection D, their resultant is empty, or intersection is empty means there is no common element between both the sets A and D. Correct? If A and D there are elements which are different from each other, then the sets A and D are disjoint sets. Why? Because disjoint, there will be no common element between A and D. Seventh one. Seventh one, after that, eighth one. Seventh one, there will be eighth one. A intersection B union D. A intersection B union D, which is equals to, correct? It is nothing but A. What are the values of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Correct? After that, intersection, take the bracket B. B is nothing but what? 7, 9, 11, 13. Union D. D is nothing but what? D is nothing but 15, 17. 15, 17. Which is nothing but what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection, key passages. What are the union of these values? 7, 9, 11, 13. Union. That is nothing but 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. You know it is. Union means you have to add. Common element you have to write in single type. Here there will be union. You have to add with all the elements where the element get repeated, which is not allowed. After that, what is the intersection about these values? 7, 9, 11 is common. 7, 9, 11 is common. Therefore, write it as 7, 9, 11 is the common element. 7, 9 elements. 7, 9 elements are the common elements. 7, 9, 11. After that, 17 you cannot write. After that, I think 8 will get over. After that, 9th one. 9th and 10th one. I will write 9th one here. Please observe carefully. A intersection B, intersection B union C. A intersection B union C, which is equals to A. A is nothing but what? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A intersection B value is 7, 9, 11, 13. It's the value of A intersection B. Intersection B. What is the value of B? 7, 9, 11, 13. B union of C. Union with C. 11, 13, 15. 11, 13, 15. Which is equals to. What are the common elements between these? Because of intersection, common element you have to pick. 7 and 11 is the common. 7 and 11 is the common. Common element you have to pick. Therefore, that is number 7, 9, 11 is the common element. After that, intersection with B union C, which is nothing but what? We have to write in addition. The elements are repeated, take one time. That is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Correct? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Which is nothing but what are the common element between both? Which is nothing but intersection. Therefore, 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is the final answer. After that, 10th one you may write it as homework. 10th one you write it as a homework. 10th one you write it as a homework. 10th one is nothing but your homework. If you have any doubt, just to WhatsApp me. After that, we move towards one of the important concept, which is nothing but these are the questions which are very familiar, but our job is to convert those segmented into roster. Then we take the intersection of union. I will write some of the questions and make sure that your answer should be very simple. That is, example, if capital A is equals to x such that x is a natural number, x is a natural number, B, x is such that x is an even natural number, C, x is such that x is an odd natural number, x is an odd natural number, and D is equals to x such that x is a prime number, x is a prime number. Find first one, A intersection B. After that, second one, A intersection C. Third one, A intersection D. Fourth one, B intersection C. Fifth one, B intersection D. Sixth one, C intersection D. Correct? Dear students, they are given in which format? They are given set in the set builder format. These type of questions are very important for 1 mark category also, because they may ask, suppose they are given a question, x such that x is a natural number, write it in the roster form or tabular form, then you may able to write the set builder conversion into roster conversion or tabular conversion. Similarly, rest of the things will be followed automatically. That is A, B, C, D. There are given 4 sets. All the 4 sets which are in which format? Set builder format. If all the sets which are in set builder, then you cannot compare because of the numbers. Which number comes? Because they are in the statement. Statement we should convert it into roster means elements are separated by comma. For example, solution given. I will write first. I will write the set. First I will write the sets. Given a is equal to x is a natural number means how many natural numbers are there in the universe? In the universe there are infinitely many natural numbers. So our job is to write numbers are in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 3 dots. These 3 dots are nothing but the set is infinite set. X is a natural number. After that, what about b? B is nothing but x is an even natural number. Even natural number. What are even natural number? B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Like that, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. After that, next even natural number. X is an odd natural number. C is equal to odd natural number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that. These are all odd natural number. X is a prime number. What is B? X is a prime number. B is nothing but what? B is nothing but B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. After that, 8 will be not, 9 will be not, 10, after that 11, 11, 13, 14 will be not, 14, 15, 16, after that 17, after that 19, like that. Sorry, which are infinite, correct? 17 is a prime number, correct? 17 is a prime number, 19 is also a prime number, 18 is not a prime number, 20 is also a prime number. Some of the ABCD sets we are arranged in which format? Roster or tabular format. Next, one by one, our job is to find out the values of A intersection B. Correct? A intersection B. First one. Solution number 1. Solution 1. A intersection B. A intersection B, which is equals to A is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 3 dot intersection with B. B is nothing but what? 2, 4, 6, 8. After that, which is nothing but what? Correct? 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8? Which is common? 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, upcoming set is 5. 5 will be there? No. Therefore, which is the limit what? You write it as 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Correct? You cannot write. You can't write 1. You can't write 1 because in case of intersection, the intersection means common element we have to choose. Common element we have to find out. Therefore, the common element should be 1 is not a common for B, but 1 is a common in or 1 is an element in A, that 1 which is not in B. Therefore, 1 you cannot take. 2, yes, 3 will be in A but not in B. Therefore, intersection should be even natural number. Correct? What about the natural number? Even natural number. After that, second one what? A intersection C. A intersection C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection C. C is nothing but what? 1, 3, 5, 7 after that. Okay? A intersection C. C is nothing but what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Which is nothing but what? Which one is the common? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Therefore 1, 3, 5, 7. Which is the common? Which is nothing but what? Set B, set A, set C. Therefore, A intersection C is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements. After that, intersection with 1, 3, 5, 7 is also element, which are odd element or odd set. Then their intersection is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, which are elements which are present in A. Therefore, 1, 3, 5, 7 is the element. I think A intersection C. After that, what about A intersection D? A intersection D. I will write here. A intersection D. After that, A intersection D. Second one. After that, third one, A intersection B. A intersection D means what? A is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection D. A intersection D is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. After that, which is nothing but what? A intersection D. A intersection D means what? Here there will be intersection means 2. Correct? One is not element. 2, 3, 2, 3. Correct? 5 is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 is there. 5 is there. After that, 7. Here also 7. Therefore, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like that. Why? Because here the set A is subset of this. Set is subset of this. Every element of A is also an element of. Otherwise, you may take it as intersection means common element you have to choose. Common element. What are the common element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 2 is common. Yes, 2 is common. 3 is common. 4 there will be no 4. Here there will be 5 common. 7 here also there is 7. 7 is common. Here there is 11. Here also 11. Therefore it continues. Therefore the octave set should be set of prime numbers. Correct? After that, intersection D. After that, fourth one, B intersection C. Fourth one, B intersection C is equal to B. B is nothing but what? 2, 4, 6, 8. B intersection C. C is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, dash dash. Correct? B intersection C. B intersection C is nothing but what? Here there will be 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They are not in common. All the elements which are not in common means the sets are disjoint sets. Therefore, which is nothing but empty. Correct? Here there will be B is even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Upcoming element is 10. 10, 12, 40 like that. Here 7, 9. After 9 is 11. 11, 13 like that. Empty. B intersection C. After that, immediately you have to find out a fifth one. Fifth one is B intersection D. B intersection D. B intersection D means B is nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. B intersection D. B intersection D means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that. B intersection D. B intersection D is what? B is this set D. I think 2 is the element. Intersection means 2 is common. 2 is common. 4 there will be no 4 common. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here will be 10, 11, 13, 14. Therefore, singleton 2 is the only one set. Singleton 2 is only one set, which is common for both B and B. Both B and D. B intersection D. After that, C intersection D. After that, C intersection D. C intersection D. Correct? Last one. The answer is sixth one answer. C intersection D. C is nothing but about 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. After that, C intersection D. D is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 11, 13, like that. Correct? What is the value? C intersection D. C intersection D is nothing but here there will be one will be not there. 3 starting from 3. Correct? 3 after that 5, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 11, 3, 5, 7, 11. 3, 5, 3, 5 will be there, 3, 5, 9 is not there, here also 9 is not there, 9, 11, both sides 11, after that 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, here there will be 30, like that. These are all, this These are all nothing but some values. With the help of conversion of set builder into sum roster, then you can find out their relations. Their relations. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. After that we will take the question is based on a disjoint sets. Question is based on a disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Example: which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? Following sets are disjoint. First one: 1, 2, 3, 4 and x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number and 4 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. A, E, I, O, U and C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F. For third one, x such that x is an even integer. X such that x is an odd integer. The students, they are given some of the sets. Whether they are disjoint sets or not, you have to check out. Correct? According to the definition of disjoint of sets, you know, two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if their intersection is going to be empty. If A intersection B is equal to empty, we say that two sets A and B are disjoint. Right? They are not joint sets, they are nothing but disjoint sets. With the help of this definition, we will take the conclusion about these three sets. Okay? They are not given the direct name. Our job is to write the naming first. Solution. First one. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and x is a natural number. B is equal to 4. X belongs to x is a natural number. We are going to collect only natural number. X is such that x is a natural number and 4 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 are the elements. Now A intersection B is equal to intersection elements are given 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection with 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 which is equals to singleton 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 5, 6 which are nothing but 4. If there is an element, then those sets are disjoint sets? No. Therefore, A and B are not a disjoint sets. Not a disjoint sets. Not disjoint sets. A and B are not a disjoint sets. Next. Second one, right? You write it as second one answer. Second one, let A is equal to A, E, I, O U, E I O U. B is equal to C D E F. C D E F. What are the A intersection B? Now A intersection B is equals to, immediately you have to write A E I O U, correct? A E I O U intersection with C D E F, correct? C D E F. Then though they are distant or not, check it once again, which is equals to AEIOU CDEF. The element is E, singleton E, AEIOU CDEF. Singleton E is the element. Therefore A and B are not disjoint sets. Not a disjoint sets. After that, X is an even integer and X is an odd integer. Even integer and X is an odd integer. Third one, like A is equal to, correct? They are given X is an even integer and X is an odd integer. What they are given is X is an even integer means what? Even integers are nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, correct? Which are nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8 dash. After that, another set is X is an odd integer they are given, correct? X is an odd integer. D is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Odd integer. Now A intersection B is equal to empty. A intersection B is equal to empty. Therefore A and B are disjoint. A and B are disjoint sets. After that, difference of sets will be not in your syllabus. That portion can be deleted. After that, complement of a set is also deleted in your textbook or in the today's. After that, complement of a set is also deleted. The next portion should be based on practical problems on intersection and union of two sets. In the next class, we will take one of the important topic, that is under the same sets theory topic, practical problems on union and intersection of two sets, which are very important for further exam, that is final exam. Thank you for today's class, and in the next class we will take more problems on practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Thank you.